Welcome back! Today we are taking a look at one of my favorite Hyatt hotels, the Hyatt Regency Coconut Point. This hotel is located a little north of Naples, within easy access of the Fort Myers Airport. This is an excellent location for families, as there's a variety of pools, water slides, a lazy river, and even a boat to a private beach. Stick around towards the end to hear about how I booked this on Points and the benefits that Hyatt Globalists receive. There's a lot to talk about here, so let's get started. The entire hotel has a grand feel to it. Super tall ceilings in the lobby, with beautiful floors, and lots of nice details throughout. This is by far the nicest Hyatt Regency I've ever stayed at. As a Hyatt Globalist, I used one of my Suite Upgrade Awards to secure the one king bedroom premium bay view suite with Sofabed. This is considered a standard suite, and it is a fantastic room, as you are about to see. The suite is accessed through this initial unlock door that leads to a small room with 3 doors, each of which lead into the suite. Starting in the living area, it is huge, airy, with lots of seating, TV, a pull-out sofa. There are multiple balconies here, about half of them are furnished. Heading over to the dining area, there is a table for 6, another TV, and yet another furnished balcony. It's great having a proper table to eat at in a hotel room. There's also a counter with a small fridge. The hotel description calls it a wet bar, however there is no sink. Heading over to the guest bathroom, it's a full bathroom with a tower shub combo. And heading into the bedroom suite area, there's a nice sized entryway with another so-called wet bar. Heading into the bathroom, there is yet another balcony, a large walk-in shower with standard Hyatt Regency toiletries and the big bottles. A regular shower head and a wand. Sadly, only one can be used at a time. One thing that makes this bathroom pretty unique is the view. Our kids called it the poo with a view. Finally, into the bedroom itself, lots of space here, very comfortable bed, another TV and a chair, oh, and another fully furnished balcony. That's a total of 6 if you're keeping track. With a hotel like this, the grounds and pools are a big reason to visit. There's plenty of outdoor activities, lawn games, climbing wall, fire pits, putting green, hammocks, lots of seating throughout. Everything is clean and very well maintained. There are also a bunch of pools here, including an adults-only pool and a hot tub. The main family pool has a zero-depth entry, a small water slide for young kids, and a medium-sized water slide. There's even more water slides in the next area. Here there's the dueling water slides and a tube slide, and a lazy river. The footage here is courtesy of my 6-year-old daughter. It's worth noting that at the time of our stay, there was active construction going on repairing the damage caused by Hurricane Ian in 2022. At the time of our visit, the pools and the large water slides were reopened, but the boardwalk and private beach were still under repair, slated to reopen later in 2023. They keep their hotel website up to date on what's currently closed as they continue to work on repair. One pleasantly surprising thing is they've managed to meet their estimated reopening dates. Meeting construction deadlines is basically unheard of at hotels. The hotel does a great job of making you feel welcomed. At check-in, they gave us free ice cream scoop coupons for each of our kids, and a $25 food and beverage credit at their marketplace, Cool Beans, for my wife's birthday. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this hotel. On the pros side of things, there's great Globalist recognition here. More on that in a little bit. The standard suite is humongous. It's a beautiful hotel with plenty to do. The water park is sure to keep kids and adults happy. Recently remodeled rooms, and friendly staff. On the con side of things, it is expensive. Nightly rates are usually well over $300 a night. Sometimes conferences and other events can crowd out public spaces. Parking is an extra fee, and given how isolated the hotel is, you'll likely need a car if you want to do anything other than lounge at the hotel the entire stay. And this isn't really a con, but be sure to check the website to understand what, if anything, is currently closed for repair. Now let's talk about the Globalist benefits. I booked a standard room at the Hyatt Regency Coconut Point using 17,000 Hyatt Points per night. Cash rates at the time were about $350. I then used one of my Globalist Suite Upgrade Awards to confirm an upgrade to the standard suite. At the time, cash rates for the suite were about $900 a night. It is also possible to book directly into a standard suite with points when available. Coconut Point does an outstanding job at recognizing Globalist benefits. Globalists receive breakfast for up to 2 adults and 2 children, and there's a great breakfast buffet here. One thing that I really appreciate is they provide Globalists with this voucher that covers everything, and there's no need to even sign a bill. I wish that more Hyatts handled Globalist breakfast this way. There is late 4 p.m. checkout, and this was super helpful for our visit as we had an evening flight on departure. Parking is free when booked on Points. And also, when booking on Points, there are no resort or destination fees. At Coconut Point, that's an additional $37 a night. Thanks for watching. This is truly one of my favorite hotels, and I'm really excited to share this video with you. If you have any questions or comments, or if you stayed here yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts below.